Welcome to Canva Quick Tips. In this quick tip, I will show you how easy it is to send a template link. Let's go over to Canva and I'll show you how. You have just created the most amazing design and you want to share it with somebody so they can either see how you did it, work on it, reimagine it, however you want to do, and you want to share it as a template link. So we're going to go over to our share button. Sometimes it'll be in your first four, but if it's not, see it says right here, it says template link. If not, you want to go down to more and you can go into share and you look over and it'll say template link. Once you click that, it will give you a link that you can copy and that you can send to that person for that link. And then they can go in and create their own design from that template. It's just that easy, y'all. And I am Michelle, and that's my quick tip for today. I thank you for stopping by. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.